Video in Minecraft, and we are gonna tell you something about one thing, and it's another thing. Wait, let me switch it. Can buy anybody? I don't want it. Yeah, just this one. And I'm spawning a creeper, and I could creeper. Do that. So if you just hold on it, it will do it. And let's try it and add it. And I'm gonna add this much creepers. So wait. So I'm just gonna trap you. Okay, I'm gonna trap you. I'm gonna trap. Oh no, ads.
Hello, TV. We've got some catching up to do. Hello. Uh-oh, that can't go bad. That was a cake. Hello, hello, beach. My favorite place to get a snack. The Big Donut. It's closed.
Oh, hey, Steven. Haven't seen you for a while. You missed all the earthquakes.
I was out in the field saving the world.
Wow, nice.
Are you closing up? I really wanted a donut. There's got to be at least one in there.
Sorry, I already set the alarm for the night.
But Sadie, I've been gone so long. All the food in our house went bad, and I'm just starving.
Okay.
So Fish Pizza is still open.
I don't know if I'm hungry enough for a meal.
But you were starving?
No.
So just tap. So just hold it like this, and then it will explode. So you don't have to do that in survival.
Safety lawsuit got thrown out. So if you get here tomorrow, right when the shop opens, you can have the very first donut of the day.
First thing tomorrow, I'll be here right when the store opens to taste your first delicious donut of the day. Yeah, sure. Later, Steven.
And I have tipped arrows and things.
6:55. That should give me enough time to get to the Big Donut right when it opens at 7. Then I can start another beautiful beach city day.
And
Hello, beach city. It's great.
I'm gonna finish making the roller coaster with loads of flowers. Some these, some these. It's a animal roller coaster. And we are gonna should we add?
City looks so small.
Let's
Oh man, I want to jump around Funland.
some bone meal. Bone meal. I'm gonna do some bone meal.
It's Amethyst. She can help me. Amethyst, hey, over here. Yeah, Steven. Are you still up? Last chance for some cake. She can't hear me. I'm too far away. No, look up here. Hey,
Hey, Steven! How did you learn how to fly?
Amethyst, go get help.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video and it was very short, so bye.